Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel will travel to Antipolo Rizal to face Barako Bull Energy at Inaros Center on Sunday, November 22, 2015, 3 p.m. tip-off. San Miguel Beerman is currently top of the team standings in the first stage, which is the Philippine Cup. Now, Barako Bull Energy is trying to make another win after they beat in the last game's VPA Philippine Cup. We have to watch out first with the likes of JC Intal, Mick Penisi, a former Beerman player, and some of new recruits with the likes of Rico Laniete, who's suffered a face injury. He's wearing a mask, and among the others. They need to watch out for that. So San Miguel needs its conspiracy because Ryan Aranya ay lalong magaganda ang laro pagdating ng game sa Inares sa linggo. Well, Arvin Santos ay paghahandaan pa rin yung laro nila against Barago. Lalo na kay Junmar Fajardo ay magbibigay siya ng panalo as a birthday gift dahil birthday ni Junmar Fajardo nung midweek ng November. So, we have San Miguel Beerman needs to win situation to maintain its top of the table. Ang starting five sa akin will be Ronald Tubid, Alex Cabagnot, Arvin Santos, Junmar Fajardo, and Marshall Lassiter. They need to change once because slots is overlaid in the last couple of games because he needs to rest right now and he needs to be on the bench and as a substitute. So I want Marshall to be on the starting five. Anyway, do you agree in this starting lineup for Sunday's game against Barako? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/TheBeermanFanTV. Mag-like po kayo sa lahat ng comments nyo at The Beerman Fan TV. Don't forget to follow us. Maki-social na sa Twitter and Instagram by following us at The Beerman Fan TV. Salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye.